Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is September 18th. We have got the markets, grain markets, showing a little bit of red this morning. Corn down about 2 cents, beans down slightly. We did have some sales this morning that were announced. One sale to China, the other to unknown. So we'll see what that does, and that's for beans. So we'll see if we get a little support out of these beans yet too. But expecting some pretty choppy markets once again. Some of the early harvest that we're hearing, some pretty good yields out there again as far as corn. So we'll see where we go here over the next several weeks. Looks like temperatures are going to stay warm. There's no fear out there of frost right now, and that's what's got these markets really on edge. We went up to some resistance areas on the charts last week, and now here this week we're going to need to see, do we jump above those, or do we find us now start to set back a little bit and maybe try to test support areas now? So we'll see. There's not a lot of news out there still. Looking on the beans, Brazil still dry, Argentina still a little bit too wet, but it is also very early to continue to talk about that. So, that's something that as we get into more October, we need to pay attention to that a little bit closer, just not yet. But the market's trying to play that up and trying to get that as something to get the market excited and finding a little bit of news. Looking at livestock, though, cattle, expect some choppy trade out of cattle yet, and hogs finding a big recovery there on Friday. Maybe just short covering. You still have a discount here to the cash as far as futures, and so we found some good support on that, and we'll see if that continues here this week. But those lows that we had made late last week will be very important to hold and see if we can get a little bit more of a recovery here and find the strength continue. Some of the other markets, you've got crude oil down a little bit right now. The metals, though, sharply lower this morning as the dollar firms up. Still waiting to see if we're going to get any kind of an increase here as far as the Fed and what they're going to do and what their plan is through the next several months. Will we see rate hike again or not? But the dollar finding some strength here this morning. Give us a call if you have any questions. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Have a great day today.